walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking.
Hello guys, nandito ang aking kapatid, si Dipuskan SG Channel. Pumasyal ako dito sa kanya, Sunday ngayon. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween sa inyo! Dipuskan SG Channel. Ayan, nag-meet kami. Ayan, may pupuntahan kami. Pupunta kami sa... saan? Ayan, pupunta na kami ng mundo. Pupunta kami ng bus stop. Ayan. Hello guys! Ano tayo ng 333? Ayan, dito na kami sa bus stop. Dito kami sa bus stop.
Nakakatawa man.
Dito ang kanilang lugar sa Tobuan Road. Ayan. Hintay kami ng bus. Anong number ng ating 333? 333. Bus number 333 ang aming sasakyan. Punta kami sa Yuhua sa mobile shop. Guys, nakasakay na kami ng bus. Ayan, standing position lang kami. Three bus station. Malapit lang punta namin. Madilim. Mamaya na guys. Ang init. Tatawid na kami. Yan, sobrang init. Mainit dito guys. Punta kami dito sa Yuhua Village. Meron kaming bibilhin dito. Tumingin ka na nga. Yan, Yuhua Village. Yuhua Village. Dito kami guys. Yan, Yuhua Village. Yan, Yuhua Village. Dito kami, may bibilhin kami dito. Yan, sige, saglit lang muna. Yan, nandito na kami guys. Huawei. Titingin kami ng cellphone.
Dito ni Talanta.
Ha? Vivo?
Oo.
How much is it? 299. How many RAM?
6 GB.
6 GB, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB. No discount? Huh? Ready discount already?
Ultra speed. How come this one ultra speed? 8
buy one or buy 50.
Wait, that one. This one is cheaper, right?
But this one for RAM.
Huh?
For RAM.
Yeah, for RAM. Dito ni Talanta.
This one the latest one.
Latest? How much is it?
Same price.
Same price?
Actually this one is 300 bucks. Now it's offer.
Which one is nice?
This one is offer.
Which
6
one
GB.
is nice one? Same?
Dito
Huh?
This offer now?
Latest?
Now 299.
Now 299. Before, how much?
329.
329.
Next year.
No.
Dito lang.
The one is the latest one. nagkalugar ng ating pera ngayon, kaya bibili tayo ng cellphone. Nagpasama ako kay ate di Guzman SG Channel. Siya. Magaan. Ito daw ang latest ngayon. Magaan lang siya, oh. Hindi kagaya sa dating cellphone ko na mabigat. Bibo pa rin. Upside down. Okay, the blue color.
Wow.
Blue color. 299 is it? yan dito, titingin tayo ng mga casing ng mga cellphone.
No, don't send.
Can I take this one, have a discount, this one and this one?
I selling 120.
Huh?
I selling 120. I give you how much?
100.
Hey, you have a Bluetooth? Valor?
Wala siyang valor dito.
Valor.
What?
Bluetooth.
No, just give the good one, for long talking one. 5 hours or 6 hours.
One side, two side.
Siya, one side lang.
One side lang.
One side, I take one side.
Which one? What brand?
Dahil tanitingan.
How much that one?
This one, kapado dito na.
This one, quite long time.
How many hours? One yours is two side right?
Ano, one side lang.
Two
No,
side,
I mean,
cannot
one
long
side
hour one. Two side cannot long hour
Ano,
one.
long
Yeah,
hour.
one side only. Upo niya, biro pa na dahil tanong ko.
Long standby.
Long standby, ah.
This one, no problem.
Have the charger?
Have.
Oh, okay. Then the,
How much you get? I think next week I buy this one.
This one, 19.
anong kailangan? Anong kailangan niya yan?
What?
Na pag-sit? You take photo. Your face is have there. You see? I touch. Nakita tayo. Ito guys, namimili na kami ng Bluetooth. Bibili din ako ng Bluetooth. Ganito yung wireless earbuds. I bought this one before but cannot long time.
Cannot be. This one, when you buy?
In my place, Badok.
When?
I know how many months already.
Oh, this
Then
one-
always drop. That's
No.
why.
This model just launched 1 month only.
1 month only?
Maybe
I don't
buy
want more
other
than.
brand.
Oh, like that.
I forget my Bluetooth. I give you here. Because like this ni. Like that. La. Cannot use. May kitang di ko lang ni.
Guys, nakabili na kami. Pauwi na kami. Nakabili na kami ng tipo. Yan. Dala mo kapatid. Ayan. Meron na kami mga bit-bit. Kaya uwi na kami. Abangan ang aking unbox sa aking new cellphone. Yan. Bye-bye my sister here in Singapore. Mainit! Mainit pa rin! Ang magsilaw! Dito kami sa bus stop. Sobrang init, guys. Hintay kami ng... Ayan. Nagbibilang ng dollars. Hintay muna kami ng bus.
You can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me